So I am in the middle of moving my plants out for the summer, but I got an order in. So people remember that in January I was planning to go to the Tamiami Orchid Festival, and then it was delayed because of COVID, and I had put in pre-orders with several vendors. One of them was Shin Gardens. And so what they did is, instead of sending me my order in January because they didn't come for Tamiami, they basically sent me my orders now in May, because Tamiami was last weekend. And I couldn't go in May because I had other things come up. Like I had to go to school and pick up my son from college, and so I couldn't go to Tamiami. Anyways, so that's why I have orchids. So I ordered these orchids in like December because they were pre-orders for Tamiami. And I actually have another orchid from AWZ that arrived last week. It was only 3 plants, and I didn't do an unboxing video for it. But this is my order from Shin. It came here. I actually don't really remember what I ordered anymore, because when your order is like 6 months old, you even know what you got. So let's see. I will be as surprised as everyone else. So this right here is Cymbidium encephalium Huangjin Kai Hong. Looks pretty good. A couple brown leaves, but hopefully it will stay alive for me. I just had to dump a whole bunch of Cymbidiums. One of the things I've discovered in my move out is that I am definitely not watering enough. Ooh, Encycliabuthiana. I swear I have an Encycliabuthiana. Oh, I don't think my Encyclias are out yet, but I'm sure I checked my database. My database is now at 900 orchids. I definitely have no clue what I have anymore, like ever. Okay, oh, this had flowers on it. So this is Dendrobium Hamada Lake Prism. And I got this because it's, you know, the flowers look like, you know, like nobly type, but they're like, you know, they have a picotee around them. And I thought that was just so pretty. I did not realize, I thought this was a nobly type. I didn't realize it was, the flowers would be so small. But I've missed the blooming on it. Okay, Angraecum Elephantium. I don't usually do Angraecums, but I don't know. I misunderstood. I thought, okay, so several years ago I came across this. Shin was here, and he had a whole bunch of Elephantiums. I didn't get one because someone made a joke that Elephantium, that would become, it would take a long time for it to get really big and, you know, grow into like a blooming size plant. And I didn't know anything about Angraecums then, and I was like, oh well, I'm not going to buy this tiny little plant and try to bloom it. But I've since learned that Elephantium is small. It's like, the joke is that it's like elephant but tiny. So anyways, I got one of those. Then okay, so then these last two is because I got a Dendrobium Goldschmidtiana peach. So I got the Goldschmidtianum from Shin many years ago. I didn't do anything great. It bloomed. First year was awesome. Second winter, I forgot to water it and it died. It's a classic problem that I have. And I loved that they had a Goldschmidtianum that was like this pink peach color. And it was really sad that I was a moron and killed mine. And then this right here is Dendrobium Mayaki, which is supposedly the purple form of Goldschmidtianum. So that's what I got here. So it's, I don't know if it's been renamed or, you know, like Goldschmidtiana. It's not actually Goldschmidt, but I will learn more about it as I keep working on learning more about orchids. So that's 1, 2, so let's see here. Put them by my face. I got six plants from Tension, and I have to say that I love his plants. They're great. The only problem is that he's in Taiwan, so normally it's really hard to get stuff from him, and I'm really glad that he was willing to let me pre-order and then actually mail these to me from Miami. So that's this unboxing, and I will have another video later showing how I took all my orchids outside.